Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of streaming video content with audio during a session. To get started, locate the Share icon within the Roombr application. Next, select the Select File for MediaCast option from the menu. This will prompt you to choose a video file from your local system. Once you've selected the desired video file, a preview of the video will appear in the session window. Simply click on the play button to start streaming the video content with its audio to all participants in the session. During the streaming, you have the flexibility to pause the video at any point to interact with your students. You can resume playing the video by clicking on the play button again. When you're ready to stop streaming the video content, simply click on the close button. And that's it! Streaming of video content is simple as that. It's important to note that if someone else is currently sharing their screen, you have the ability to stop their sharing and begin your own. And there you have it. Sharing your screen and teaching during a session is as easy as that.